car here. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can add an image in Visual Studios. If you're first time working in Visual Studios and you're just trying to figure a few things out, today I got a quick tip for you. Let's go ahead and head to our desktop. Alright, so now that we're at our desktop, I'll just go ahead and run this script here. So the image that we're trying to show is this image right here. So if I go ahead and hit play, what you can see is there is no image here, and we want to get an image here. So this is what we're going to do. We're just going to close this out. First thing you want to do is you want to come over here. You want to right click, and then you want to go to add, and then go to existing item. Once you go to existing item, if you're doing this for the first time, you're going to get this web files extensions. So you won't see anything to find the item that you're looking for, but all you have to do is just turn this into image files. Once you turn it to image file, go grab the image that you like, and then you add it. Now you see that image has been added to your Solutions Explorer. The next thing you want to do is you want to write the HTML for an image. So the HTML for an image, and I'll just give myself some space, and we're just going to say image source, and we want to find our image here. That is basically what our image is going to look like, and then we want to close that off. So once we do this, let's just go ahead and take a look at this to see what it looks like. Wow, it looks like it just basically blew our website away, but it did add our image, and we want to just clean that up just a little bit. All right, so the next thing you want to do is you want to kind of give yourself some space here, and you want to add your width. Once I've given myself some space, I want to go ahead and add the width and the height. You can kind of get an idea of what the height is right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and paste that in. We have the width, which is going to be 250, and the height, which is going to be 370, and then we're going to go ahead and hit play. So we're going to execute that, and now we see our image have been added to the area that I want it to be displayed in. We can center this image. So to center your image, all you want to do here is just give yourself some space. In HTML, you have a center, and then it will just take the end of it. I'll copy it, then I'll paste it there. Then we'll play this one more time, and now we can see that our image have been centered right in the center, right where we want it. That is how you add an image to your HTML in Visual Studios. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment down in the comment section. Peace. Before you go, if you're new to this channel, here's a chance for you to subscribe, and make sure you smash that thumbs up. Once again, make sure you leave some comments down in the comment section. And if you want to check out some more videos that may help you learn on the go as you grow, you can do so right now. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.